happened?
Look at the bridge!
What? That's big?
Yeah, that's terrifying.
Okay guys, it is now the next day and guess where we are. Oh wait, you're not Nina. Hey, where are we?
We're in Las Vegas.
But what are we looking at?
A dam.
Yeah, it's the Hoover Dam, right? So apparently we didn't know this, but someplace around here, that there's like two lines, and if you stand in between them, we're apparently in Nevada and Arizona, and this is what we're looking at right now. Apparently this isn't the dam, this is like the emergency, like water flooding thing, whatever. But it was a drive, guys. It was a drive. Tell them about our horrible experience.
When?
In the car.
Wow, I was asleep.
Oh. Well, there was traffic and I was tired. But I didn't have a neck pillow. So that was horrible. That's my horrible experience.
You're gonna have to sit in the tight spot with the twins.
Anyways, but right now we're here in, I don't know, what is it, like Nevada stuff? And then we're gonna be staying here for New Year's, so we're gonna be here for 2 more days. But after this, I'm so ready because we're gonna go eat some tacos of, what, Gordo's El Taco or something? Whatever, I like it. We're going there after. But right now we're gonna shoot little kids looking at water and see what their impression is because they're very so interested.
So Brian fam, this is the Hoover Dam that I built 10 years ago. Literally they always leave me. Oh my gosh, they're horrible.
I can't wait to go eat, guys. I'm really hungry. I'm so starving.
We ate like 2 hours ago.
Not even. We ate at like 9 o'clock.
Actually, that's a lie.
It's already 2 o'clock.
Chris didn't get up till 11. You didn't get up till 11.
No, I get up at 9.
Next time I'm just gonna get a helicopter ride.
For real.
Helicopter ride. I'll see.
Bruh.
Are you serious? I'm playing Roblox. Ooh! I don't even think so.
Luis, ¿cuántos tacos quieres?
What?
¿De
I
qué?
woke up real quick.
So,
Okay, so that was delicious, but now we're at a game arcade for these children. So let's go ahead and do a child play game monster. How about that? Guys, look at these eyebrows.
kids, are you having fun?
So guys, I just got 50 tickets from the bar.
guys get?
I got a diamond pickaxe. And I got a teddy football. I think this is an axe. I think this is a diamond pickaxe.
Nice.
Axe.
Nice. Oh no, no.
I'm ruining it.